Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying the goal: remote control, screen share, or file access. Once decided, open Play Store and enter targeted searches like remote access or remote control. Make sure battery optimization is off for persistent connections. This prevents background kill. If you plan device-to-device control, check for required permissions listed under App Details and Reviews. You should prioritize apps with clear security notes and active updates, because frequent updates mean patched vulnerabilities and better compatibility. Once you find candidates, tap Details and inspect permissions and update history to judge trustworthiness. You want apps that offer two-factor authentication or device pairing codes and explicit encryption to protect sessions. Make sure to compare bandwidth and battery impact in reviews, because streaming remote screens can tax networks. Install on a spare or test device first and run full feature checks. Connect, transfer files, and remote control a simple app. This reduces risk to your main device and reveals configuration needs. You now configure the app. Create a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication if available, because security is essential for remote access. Make sure auto start and background permissions match your reliability needs and restrict access to trusted networks only. Once configured, test end-to-end connection and transfer a small file. If connection fails, check router NAT, firewall rules, and Wi-Fi client isolation. Try toggling mobile data or using the same local network. If issues persist, reinstall or try an alternative vetted app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.